and welcome to my channel. Well, yes, you're at the Captain Drone channel, and I know you're watching this because you're probably a subscriber. Why else would you click on a video title that says Merry Christmas from Captain Drone? Well, Merry Christmas to you and your loved ones. I really appreciate all the subscribers out there. There's like 33,000 of you, which is pretty amazing. You know, this channel is just a hobby for me. I have a day job. I do this when I have time. I do like drones. I like lots of other things. I have a ton of hobbies, and if you guys found out how many hobbies I had, you'd wonder where I find the time. Actually, my wife often wonders where I find the time, but I do. So over this past year, I've really enjoyed all the comments people have posted on the videos. I do read all of them, and many of you who've posted comments always get a response from me in one form or another. So keep those comments coming, and keep those likes coming. I really enjoy the likes. Now, a bit of news for the year 2019. You know this logo down here, Captain Drone logo? It should be just under this video someplace. It looks like a little spaceship. Well, that logo is something I picked when I started this channel. I have several YouTube channels, and for every YouTube channel I just make up a logo and see if the YouTube channel sticks. If it sticks, well then I'll keep on adding more content and making the channel better. So the Captain Drone channel has done quite well, and for that reason I'm going to change the logo. This is the logo I came up with, and that's it back there, and that will be the logo that you'll see on this channel in the year 2019. So when you get a new video coming out and it shows Captain Drone, this logo, well, that's me. So click on that because it's still the same old channel. And I can share a little bit of information about what reviews are coming up in the coming weeks as I receive more products to review, or I get a chance to get outside and do some more cool things with drones. So one of them will be these here gradient filters for the Mavic Zoom or the Mavic Pro. They're from Freewell. I tried them out. You know, we use gradient filters in the professional photography industry. You always use them to achieve a certain effect on certain days. So I was kind of wondering how these would work on a drone. Well, I was blown away. Hopefully the video shows how much I was blown away. You'll see that coming up. Another video that's coming out is, let me just grab this drone behind me. Here's a video on this thing here. This here is a FPV drone, and what I did is it actually doesn't look like this when you buy it. I just customized it. So I bought an FPV drone, customized it, and I'll show you how I customized it and got it all ready for flying, because there's a lot of you out there who fly camera drones like DJI, Autel, Parrot, Unique, but those are just camera drones. So, you know, they just sit in the air and then you move them one way or another and capture footage. But a lot of people want to get their heart racing and fly FPV, and I've been flying FPV now for about maybe 2.5 years, I think, and I love it. It's my favorite thing with drones. So I'm going to show you a video of getting one of these out of a box, setting it all up, and going to fly it. So that'll be coming up too. And I also have a video on the shiniest box ever made in history. This here, do you remember the Z5, the SJRC Z5? Here's a picture of the video I did on it. Well, this is the big brother. This is the F11. I got this about maybe a week and a half ago, and I've flown it a few times. It's pretty good, except I can't put the review up right now because the company that sent this to me has none of these drones in stock. So they're saying, don't put your review up because people will link to an empty page where we don't have any stock. So this is like, I think they sent me a prototype or a pre-release version. The only thing I noticed, and maybe I'm going to be wrong, is that if you have the Z5, SJRC Z5, or watch my video on it, this one here is like bigger, it's massive, they've upgraded everything. It's a really, really, really nice looking drone, and it feels so awesome in the hands. Except, you know, they put all that effort into it, but they didn't change the camera. The camera is still the same camera as per the Z5. At least in my reviews, that's what it is. But everything else is really cool. Anyways, that's an advanced feature of this review coming up whenever you see it on this channel. Now, before I let you go and say one last Merry Christmas, I would like to share something kind of Christmassy with you. So I have other YouTube channels. Some have done well, some not so well. I focused all my attention on this here drone channel because I still have my day job. When I retire, I'll have multiple YouTube channels again. Anyways, I have this other channel. It's all for musicians because, another thing, I'm a musician, and it's all about guitars and amplifiers. So it's quite popular on YouTube, at least it was, but I sort of let it go. I haven't posted anything in a year. So a long, long time ago, my son, when he lived at home, my youngest son, who is a musician and a recording artist now, when he lived at home, this is way back in 2012, it was a snowy day, it was before Christmas, and we had just seen this band called the Trans-Siberian Orchestra. They always do their little Christmas tour. And we came home and we decided to make our own video of a tune from the Trans-Siberian Christmas whatever orchestra. I'm probably saying that title totally incorrect. But anyways, We made our own tune. We went out in the backyard, same place you'll see that I fly drones. I had more trees back then. I've chopped them all down since. And we took a little dinky Sony camera, like a really dinky point and shoot, and we ran around the backyard filming each other doing this music video. Now, we had already recorded all the tracks ourselves because, once again, since I'm a musician, my son's a musician, we play music, we recorded the tracks, and we put this little thing together, and you're going to see it right now, and it's really goofy, but it is Christmas, so I thought I'd share it. It's the closest thing I have to Christmas. Here we go. Alright everyone, from my family to yours, I wish you a very Merry Christmas, and if Christmas has already passed and you're watching this after the fact, well, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and I hope Santa was good for you. If you're wondering who this is, look, it's me, Captain Drone. Alright guys, we'll catch you later this year. I have another video coming out before the end of the year, and then there's videos in the year 2019. Take care.